Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility and turning Apple Intelligence on. This unlocks features tied to system models. Once done, sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud Sync so preferences and context carry across devices. Make sure privacy controls, mic, camera, app access, are set to your comfort level because Apple Intelligence personalizes using permitted data. Now tap into Settings, choose the intelligence modules you want active, and begin with a single workflow to observe behavior before scaling up. You now configure workflows and train the system. Start by building shortcuts that incorporate Apple Intelligence suggestions for tasks like composing replies or summarizing threads. This creates repeatable behavior. As you use it, accept useful suggestions and edit or reject poor ones so the model adapts. This is how accuracy improves. Make sure to link core apps, Mail, Notes, Calendar, Messages, so context flows between them and Intelligence can surface relevant actions when you need them. You finish by validating outputs and fine-tuning behavior. Review summaries and suggested drafts for correctness, and adjust preferences to change data sources or suggestion frequency so results match your style. If you notice systematic errors, pause and retrain by correcting outputs. If problems persist, reset Apple Intelligence data for that device or toggle the module off then on to clear cached context. One key troubleshooting tip: signing out of iCloud and back enforces a resync that often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.